These are the elevators at LaGuardia Airport Terminal B. And this one is arriving for us. Here it is.
Going down.
Let's go down to one. It does talk though.
First floor.
It does talk though. Here we are at the first floor.
Going up.
Okay. Okay, here it is.
Welcome to Terminal B. We hope you enjoyed your time with us today. Experience our exceptional dining, shopping, and world-class amenities.
So I'm gonna push 2, so we may make a big stop.
Second floor. Going up. Third floor. Going down.
Go.
No.
Go down.
Yeah, it's going down. Let's go. Let's end it down on 1.
First floor.
Here at 1.
Going up.
All right. That's it.